process of setting up the Senior Summit Gallery was a really good one. It was really fun to work with other people and try to create kind of an encapsulation of what the class of 2023 was and is. Create something like a group work that was really important to me. There was a lot of just like brainstorming and a lot of different ideas that came together, and like seeing it all come together was really exciting. When I was putting it up, I was getting so excited because it was like, hey, I helped make this. This is really cool. And having to like share a part of yourself with future classes and other people, and even other people in my class, it's really exciting to say like people can kind of see themselves in these reflections, and it was really enjoyable to just come together and create something big. And now it's here for a few months, and it's really exciting. So yeah.
Yeah, and I was on the planning committee, so we did a lot of planning and stuff before, and we came up with kind of a theme for like Zoom because of the pandemic we went through and stuff. So we have a lot of representation of that, and I think this year it's been really fun, like getting to be creative.
Hi, I'm Brooke. I was a part of the installation and the planning for our Senior Summit Gallery. I really enjoyed the process, and it was definitely something that really made the end of my school year so much better. The gallery turned out to be very gorgeous, and I love like each part of it is so different and has a different story to tell, and I think like it's so creative, and like our class has such creative minds that like we just kind of put it together, and it's really nice. And like personally, I do recommend doing it because I'm not the most artistic person, but I know I can be very creative, so being able to help and do this really made the end of my school year a lot better.
Hello, I'm Jackson Edgerly, and I was part of the gallery installation for seniors during the year 2023, and I saw like some people sending some of my friends and like sending me some things that I made, and it's nice to know like even though I'm just one little part and it doesn't even say my name, they're able to find it, so it shows that they're actually looking at it. And like what I wasn't really expecting anyone to actually find it, because it's like a small part, but now I realize that like people actually care about this. I care about it, so it's good to know that it's actually a really nice part of the school. Even if it stays up for a little bit, it's good to know that I contributed and